Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a Haas VF-2 for you today. A couple key features: 20 horsepower motor, does have this USB reader, upgraded LCD screen, upgraded Z-axis covers. Machine is in really good condition. We're going to go ahead and run the machine for you today. You can hear the travels. If I miss anything, do please feel free to call. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. There you have it, guys. That was the Haas VF-2. Again, if I miss anything, you want more information, please don't hesitate to call 909-919-9600. Or for a quote, more information on specs and features, please visit us at the website www.machinestation.us. Guys, you enjoyed the video, you like this machine, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as usual, thank you for watching, guys.